Here is how to find Instagram password and username. A lot of people want to see their username on Instagram and also their password. Some people forgot their password and you want to remember it so that if they lose access to their Instagram account, they can get it back in case they lost their phone or anything like that. So here is exactly how to find the Instagram password and the username. So what you want to do, guys, you want to open your Instagram account, of course. And as you can see here, guys, if you want to see the username, it's in the top left. That's exactly the username. A lot of people didn't see that as a username. So that's exactly a username. As you can see here in the top left, it says here Muhammad El Chou. That's the username. If you want to find the password, you want to click three little lines in the top right, and after that you want to click on settings and click on privacy. You want to go back and click on security instead of privacy. Sorry, you want to click on security and you want to click on saved login information and turn this on. Okay, you want to make sure you turn this on like this. Now it's turned on. Now what you want to do, guys, you want to go back, okay, because a lot of people want to know their password, and on Instagram it doesn't allow you to find your password, but I found a solution to find the password and also change it. So you want to just click three little lines in the top right and then settings, and what you want to do, guys, you want to log out of your Instagram account. Log out. Now after you log out, you want to click on act like you are going to log in. Okay, you want to click on forgotten password. As you can see here, forgotten password. Now you want to type in the username that I showed you at the beginning, where you can find the username, or you can just use your phone that is linked to your Instagram account. And now you can reset the password so that you can add a new password to your Instagram so that you can use that password whenever you want if you don't remember the old one. So that's the only solution, guys, I have found for this problem, is to reset the password using the method that I showed you right now. Just type here your phone number and then click next, and they will send you a verification code, and type the verification code there, and then Instagram is going to allow you to change the password in case you want that. So hopefully this video helped you. If it does, please let me know in the comments if it does help you, and drop a